Chintu Monkey. We will learn a new sound, but first let us revise the sounds we have learned before. So quickly tell me the sound first.
The first sound is this sound is and this sound is.
Well done, Chintu Monkey. Now it's time to learn a new sound through a story. Once upon a time, there was an elephant, and his best friend was an elf.
Hello friends, I am an elephant and this is my friend elf.
The elf wanted to bake a cake, so they went to the mall to get some eggs.
Look! Elephant. That's an escalator.
Let's hurry. The engine is waiting for us. It will take us to our home.
Children, can you tell me which sound did you hear in the beginning of these words? Elephant, elf, escalator, and eggs. Yes, correct. It was the sound e. Now, let us do an activity in salt tray. Children, take out your index finger, put it in salt and start making a loop. And now make a curve, left curve, and then stop. Don't forget to speak the sound e. So children, now let us take some clay, make a ball and then roll it to make it longer. Roll, roll, roll. Let's make it a little longer. And now let's make a loop going upwards and then a left curve. Let's do finger tracing. Start from here, make a loop going upwards and a left curve and stop. Let's do it once more. Start from here, make a loop going upwards and a left curve and then stop. Speak the sound e. Now let us learn the rhyme to learn the new sound.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this.